Hello CLAT aspirants. How to fill the CLAT application form without doing any mistakes, step by step process. First of all, you have to go to the official website consortium of nlus.ac.in. Then you have to click on this option CLAT 2027. Then it would be open like this. If you don't have an account, you have to register first. After registration, then you have to log in. So enter with your mobile number, then password. Then you have to click on this login option. Then it would be shown like, are you applying for UZ or PZ, CLAT UZ or PZ. Once you are applying for CLAT UZ, then you have to click on that CLAT UZ. Okay. Then it would be open like this. You have to fill your personal information first. Upload your recent photograph. Upload your recent front facing photograph in JPEG format, as well as signature of the applicant also. Upload your signature in JPEG format. And applicant full name as shown in 10+2 certificate. And gender, see male, female or transgender person, you have to select. Then date of birth. Date of birth you have to select. So select day, select month and select year. Your date of birth. And all India category. Once you belong to general, other backward class, scheduled caste or scheduled tribe. See, if SC, ST, OBC, submit a copy of relevant certificate. If you belong to SC, ST, OBC category, you have to submit a copy of relevant certificate. Okay. Are a PWD candidate? Yes or no? See, are a PWD candidate? Yes or no? You have to select. See, PWD candidate, the candidate shall submit the valid certificate of disability issued by the medical authority or any other notified competent authority. Okay. Next one. Do you qualify under the BPL, below poverty line? If you are coming under below poverty line, then you have to yes or no means no. Clear? So you have to select these carefully. Then your communication details. You have to fill correspondence address, state, union territory you belong to, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, or which state you belong to. Okay, district pin code and permanent address also you have to fill. So state, union territory, pin code, district and mobile number also you have to enter. Then qualifying examination details. Qualifying exam, see 10+2 or equivalent arts, humanities, 10+2 or equivalent commerce, 10+2 or its equivalent others, 10+2 or its equivalent science. So clear? So qualifying exam you have to fill this. Board, university you have to type. See this is very important. Appearing, appeared or passed. Year of passing, so percentage of marks. Once you are passed, it is okay. Intermediate passed, 10+2 passed is nothing but you can put on passed. See, if you are appearing for, see this thing, this is very, very important. See, if you are appearing for your class 12 exam in March or April 2027, enter as appearing, appeared. If you are appearing for your class 12th examination, then you have to choose appearing, appeared. Month of passing as May, month of passing obviously as May, year of passing as 2027, and leave the percentage as blank. If you are, see, suppose if you are appearing for class 12th, then you have to choose the option appearing or appeared. You have to choose this option appearing or appeared. Is it clear? And percentage of marks you have to keep it as blank. Okay, so these are the things you have to fill. Then test preferences. Test center preference 1, 2 and 3. You can choose your test center preferences, then reservation option. Again, you will be coming back to the first phase. We have already filled this. So like this, you have to fill this application form step by step process without doing any mistakes. Okay, so thank you.